Let's eat, guys. This is our lunch for today, guys. Of course, chicken, grits, fries, and eggplant. Let's eat, guys. First time using my tripod, guys. Yeah. Thank you to my mahal. I have new tripod na, guys. Remember last time, guys, my tripod is broke. Let's eat, guys. Chicken.
Ready to switch? Break up with wipes. Garnier Micellar cleansing water. Micellar cleanse like a magnet without harsh rubbing.
Dami,
Tested to
guys.
remove waterproof mascara better than the leading wipes. 9 out of 10 wipe users would recommend Garnier Micellar cleansing
Let's
water.
eat, let's eat.
Naturally.
Choose between Reese's legendary continental
Eat everything.
pick between Alex Morgan and Sophia Smith.
You don't have to choose. Santeen.
So I get both Reese's.
Actually,
Masarap siya, guys.
get both Reese's.
Yes, tungkol. Parsley, tenders, seasoning, paprika. That's it. Parsley leaf and then oil. Uncooked to my air fryer. Very nice if you have air fryer, guys. I love cooking air fry. And this one also we cook also in air fry. This is eggplant. Eggplant here, guys, is very big. Good. Let's eat, guys.
Incredible reach. And it's easy to charge. Chevy Blazer EV. Motor Trend's 2024
Yum, yum.
EV of the year.
Done, guys. Bye, guys. And see you to the next video. God bless you. Bye.